My mom supported me. Okay, so the conversation was like this. You're gonna withdraw now? You're telling me you'll make the team? My name is Tiana Robanakadavu. I'm 19 and I'm from Kandavu. Yale, Raki. I was still in Form 6 when I was scouted into the national level. And then after the year after that, I kind of had this hope. Look, this much hope. This hope and this much trust that I was going to make it into the national level on debut. Okay, listen. So I did foundation instead of Form 7. Okay, yes. So I did first semester. Second semester, I was scouted. Drua, Japan, Pek, Lako. My mom supported me. Okay, so the conversation was like this. You're gonna withdraw now? You're telling me you'll make the team? A string was like this. So I just wing it nga. I was like, yeah, I'll make the team. I didn't, but then the list was coming next week. The list for Japan. This is me. Mange. This is me sitting on the edge of the seat every day since I told mom that I was gonna. Yeah. Next week, Tiana in the thing. Lovengo, I'm so happy. I told you I was saying, hey. I did last year. And then I was on the edge of the seat again for Drua. I didn't know I'd make it to it. Withdraw again. Well, I didn't see this coming, but I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Also because my background and family have all played netball, like I think 3 generations. And yeah, I never saw this coming until COVID hit. And one of the Kaletai, yeah, her sister, I used to hang out with her. She told me to join to come for training because it was COVID and I was bored. So, and then I started training, and then some coaches started scouting me, Coach Tavs and Coach Seni, and then it just continued from there. I started playing for Striders, and then I got scouted to play for Suva, for the provincial team. And then came semi-final and final for the provincial level. I was told to play up for the main team, and I played for the semis and the final, and then I got scouted. I got scouted into the extended squad for the World Cup, and everything was. I think I was shocked and I was amazed, and you know, progression happened just like this, and as much as I wanted to thank God, I was also scared on that journey. And yeah, and then I was told to go into camp. And I was just straight out from, you know, at home, and netball was different. When I came in, I didn't know I was a threat to them, but I was just trying to what? Everything this fast in just like 2 months, you know? I just came into rugby and yeah, but I'm grateful for them, and they're still here with me now. And yeah, I don't think I think when they named the team to go, and then I was in the non-traveling, they just realized that I was a freshman in rugby. I think they must have thought that I've been playing and stuff. My position is they're all big. They have all big names: Bitila, Vika, Kara, and Korvata. And I think just taking off that mindset of staying behind everyone's back, and that won't help me grow. Even though, like I just said about how I grow, like I always think that I'm not as good, but that's how I grow. I always punch myself, and I always ask them. I always ask them to help me. Even though I look at them as a competition, they also help me out daily. And sometimes sometimes they're amazed. Sometimes they just dong my head, and they say, "I already told you." I was like, "I'm sorry." My parents, yeah, they both played in the national level. They both played basketball, and later on in life, Mom started playing for Fiji, for the Fiji Pearls, and netball was the it back then in Fiji, and it still is. And my dad played basketball for Fiji too, and he carried on his rugby career in France.